channel. So today I thought I would share with you what I've been up to. As you can see in the background, I purchased a sublimation printer and I am getting to know the little details on how to use it and how to work it out. So I'm going to be inserting a couple of clips of setting it up, and I'm going to be showing you what I have made so far. I had a couple of failures, but I figured out what it was, and once I got some help with that, which I am extremely grateful for the person that actually helped me, because all the groups I joined, they all declined the post and said that I broke the rules, but then the rule they sent me that I broke made absolutely no sense or didn't even match. I don't know, it was weird. And then I finally asked in one last group, and this wonderful person to help me out even sent a video. I followed steps and I'm finally getting it to work by printing the colors correctly. So that was a long process, but I finally got that down. The next part is to purchase a couple of things to practice on, which I already did in most part yesterday, and I'm just waiting for all those to arrive. And the next thing would be to see where this goes. I'm working on getting a couple of things that I need for the sublimation printer, things that I didn't quite find out till now. Also want to get a couple of things that I can kind of practice on and see how it goes. So I am currently staying outside of Michael's. Then I have to go to, someone suggested Five Below. I'm going to try the Dollar Tree was another suggestion. I have to look for polyester items, and then I'm going to go to Lowe's. If not, I'll have to order from Amazon. But I need a dehumidifier or humidifier, either one, since I'm the state I'm in. I think I'm gonna need a dehumidifier, but first I'm gonna stop by Lowe's and then get a thing to read the humidity in the house and see what I need, and then go off there. And then I also need an air purifier, I think, yes, for when you're pressing the sublimation. They said that you should also have one of those. So that is the plan, and that's what I'm going to be working on, and I'm hoping that I can find a couple things today. So let me get ready and go into the store and see what I can find. I went to all the stores that I was hoping to get to, and I didn't have much luck. I only found a couple of shirts over at Five Below, and I didn't find any for my son or fiance. And then at Lowe's I did find what I was looking for, which I needed one of these, and now I'm just down to actually looking online and having to buy them online, and then just going on from there. Unfortunately, I don't have a video. I only have the picture. I was not there when it arrived. My sister signed for it. This is what it looks like outside of the box. And once we had it inside, I started taking all of the blue tape off, making sure all the film pieces were out as well. When you looked inside, it did have a little piece you had to twist to release. And then this is where the paper goes. It does come with ink. It came with the initial ink and then another set of ink. It came with 3 rolls as well. Now the ink, pretty easy to fill, can't spill it, and you will use the entire bottles for the first refill. Once you have finished putting the ink into the printer, it's going to ask you to go ahead and let it run. It's going to do its thing. It said it was going to take about 75 minutes or so. It actually took a lot less than that, surprisingly. I believe it was under an hour. So for the paper, it's pretty easy. Just open up the back, take the roll out. It's got options for different sizes, and you can also use 2 sheets that you can purchase individually. Once you're done with all that, it's going to ask you to hit a couple of options, and that's it. I looked online a couple of different videos, I read, and I went for it and I tried it. Some people said they use Silhouette with no issues, all you do is hit print and it comes out great. That was not my case. It has to do with your color profiles and things like that, and so it doesn't, you gotta change something in it to kind of get it to work. And I followed the videos, it just didn't work for me. So I posted a picture, and I'll add that picture of what first one look like on there so you can see the difference. So then I tried it again, maybe thinking that it was something that maybe I did incorrectly somehow within the first steps. Same results. So then I decided that instead of continue to print and follow the process that I was following, to ask for some help. Finally got some help, and still then I missed a step. So I tried it again, and I tried it again. So One of the first things I did was print out the little tests here. The colors are beautiful, they worked out great. Another of the things that I did was I went online and looked up the charts for sublimation, like sizing and everything. I have one sitting over there that are laminated. I'm also going to laminate this one and put it by the heat press. This is where I purchased my heat press from, so I'm going to show you my failures first because so I first did this shirt. This is from Five Below. It was $5, 100% polyester. I did the front first. And it printed out, but it just didn't turn out the colors that are supposed to be. So then I tried it again. It still didn't turn out the colors it was supposed to be. So at this point I asked for help. I figured I might as well keep trying on the same shirt. I can just use it around the house. So it didn't turn out. So after getting some help, I missed one thing, one single step, and I thought I had it. I brought it out, I pressed it. It didn't turn out either. So I decided not to press the back of this one and leave that one be. So I then went back, fixed one, but mixed another step that I had a mix change on, so I tried it again. Didn't get the color that I needed. So then I thought, maybe it's my design. So I went and purchased a design bundle, tried it out, printed it out, printed it, pressed it, didn't get the colors that were supposed to be. So I finally took a break. I rewatched another video that she posted, same person. This time I slowed down. Then once I slowed down, I went through, double check, found one step I was missing, fixed that one, went back through, fixed the other one. So I went ahead and then decided that this time I was going to print smaller just to test it out. And I got the colors I needed. So then I went through and I printed the two designs again and I got the colors I needed. So now I have the colors down. So I figured that out. For anyone wondering, this is the fabric for the cloth diaper lining on the inside. These are scrap pieces that I cannot use for diapers, so I decided to use it for practice. So I kept trying. It wasn't until the very end of the night that I finally got it. I am extremely grateful for this person. She was very helpful, very kind, and she put up with all my questions. So it's really great. I'm also going to be getting a different software. The one that she showed me where to do it on is a lot easier to deal with the color profiles, things like that. I'm going to learn how to use that one. Actually, it doesn't hurt to learn something new. So I am learning one new thing, another new thing, so that's pretty cool. This was one of my goals, and I purchased it. Now I have a plan in place, hopefully see if this works, and then we'll see how we're going from there. Right now I'm looking online to see where I can find some shirts and purchase the shirts. And then I found a bunch of other cool little things that I already put an order in for and try those out. And I'm waiting for one more piece of equipment. And yes, we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be sharing with you videos as I learn and go along. I'm definitely probably going to share the video that was shared with me. She has it unlisted. I don't know what her plans are with that video. It does have my logo on it for one of them. So we'll see, but I'll probably just make some videos myself and kind of share them. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been up to. Yeah, so the video before this was just a lot of talking about everything that I looked into and some of the research I've done. I finally have the unit here. It actually arrived a lot sooner than it was supposed to. The process has been pretty smooth, just this one minor hiccup. And other than that, it's going well. So today I'm going to try a couple of things and then go on from there. I don't have any supplies per se just yet to actually press on, so I can't do a whole lot of things, but I do have another shirt or so that I'm going to try out, so I'm going to go on from there. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.